Say cheese, motherfucker. Fuck Mars. Fuck it right now. Fuck Mars. Fuck.
Hey, bitch. Hey, you don't look at the camera?
I swear to God,
I swear to God, I'll walk in that cage.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
I swear to God, I will kill you.
Fuck.
I will fucking wring your literal fucking drunk ass throat.
Fuck. Fuck.
Fuck. Fuck.
I don't know where that came from.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, fuck Mars. Oh, fuck Mars. Oh, fuck Mars.
It's okay to be humble and sad.